Welcome to my 12-step checklist and weight loss update. In this video, we'll talk about the 12 simple things to do before starting a weight loss journey and getting healthy. If you've watched a couple of my other videos, you know that years ago I lost 80 pounds and I kept it off for years, but then I regained 70 pounds and I'm here to lose the weight again. Before I get any further with this 12-step checklist, here's an update on my weight loss journey. I've been working out consistently for the last several weeks. I started this at 197 pounds, and today I weigh 193. I'm very happy with that. Based on what I've learned the first time I lost weight, I made this list of the 12 steps you should do before starting any weight loss program. Number 1, talk to your healthcare provider. Don't start any fitness plan or alter your eating or begin exercising without consulting a medical professional. Some of you are taking medications that can have a big impact on your health if you make sudden changes, so please be sure to do this. I suggest also asking for a blood test. Set an appointment early in the morning where you don't eat ahead of time of the test, and then you can get an accurate report of where you're starting. This way, in the near future, you can look back at those numbers and see solid proof that you're getting healthier. Ask them to check your cholesterol, your blood sugar levels, and all the other important things. I had my blood test done a few months ago, and when I'm done losing the 70 pounds, I'll share with you my glucose and cholesterol levels and just how they've improved. Number 2, throw out unhealthy food. I know this is tough, but we're not going to sabotage ourselves by having rich desserts and unhealthy snack foods at our fingertips. We'll come up with alternatives that can be just as satisfying and lower in calories. Number 3, get new foods. Have fun and start looking around at other choices in the supermarket and treats that you can prepare yourself that are healthier. Be careful with your choices. Some products at grocery stores are labeled as low sugar, but then they're much higher in their fat content and have the same calories. Our goal is to reduce the overall calories that we take in on a daily basis. Invest in some comfortable shoes. You'll be wanting to get on your feet more and get moving, and having a good pair of shoes is important. Maybe this is a no-brainer, but I've noticed that as I gain weight, my feet get wider and my shoes get tighter, and I've always had wide feet as it is. There are some great online shoe stores that specialize in wide and extra wide shoes, and they even offer free returns if they don't fit. So get yourself a comfortable pair of lightweight walking shoes. Number 5, stretch every day. This is important. You'll feel so much better doing exercises, even walking, if you stretch first. Here's an embarrassing story. A number of years ago, I decided to start walking around my neighborhood after being sedentary for way too long. The nearby streets had some hills, and I was halfway on a walk, maybe a mile or two, and my lower leg muscles started to cramp up, my calf muscles. It was so painful. I had to stop and pretend to tie my shoes, and I was trying to figure out how was I going to get home. Would I need a car ride just to go the short distance? So I learned to do some quick, simple leg stretches every time before I take a walk. And I've made a lower body stretching video just for this, so check it out. These aren't so hard, are they? Here's number 6. Set reminders on your phone for exercise. Instead of thinking, I'll do it later, like me thinking, I'll start tomorrow, the reminder on your phone will be a gentle nudge to get it done. Pick a time you like. Personally, I don't like to work out before I've eaten at least one meal, and I don't want to exercise on a full stomach. So depending on my schedule, between breakfast and lunch or between lunch and dinner are my favorite times to exercise. Number 7, take pictures, lots of pictures. The easy thing to do is set up your phone to record a video and then put it on a counter or on a table somewhere and just face forward and then to one side and then the other, and you can take screenshots later from the video. You can wear regular clothing in a couple of the pictures, but in the other pictures, the ones that are just for yourself and no one else, be sure to wear clothes that fully show your torso, your legs, your arms. You will be so glad that you did this. And you only have one chance because we are changing the way we look. Number 8, write the reasons why this is important in your life. For me, it's all about lessening my chances of having sleep apnea, which I believe I do have a problem with, and having better mobility. My knees are not appreciating having this extra 70 pounds. I know my blood sugar, my cholesterol levels are right on the edge of being a problem, and I want to avoid needing medications for those things. Number 9. Now here's the fun one, working out. Work out here with me every day or every other day. And then the other days, take a walk for 15 minutes. If you don't have a place to walk where you live, you can find a nice local park, or maybe schools nearby have a track that's open for your use. You can even walk around a shopping mall in bad weather. You have so many choices. Number 10. Remember to say, I am, not I want. Watch my video about I am, the 2 most important words to help you improve your life. I am doing this and I am getting healthy. Number 11, drink more water. Water is going to keep you feeling energized, and it helps fill you up as well. So often we think we're hungry, but it's our body telling us that we're thirsty. They say to drink 8 8-ounce bottles of water a day. So that's 4 of these 16-ounce bottles. Get yourself a nice reusable water container that you can keep with you. And now, number 12, do my 3-day quick start. See my next video that explains the whole thing. Just get your doctor's approval first. Maybe you'll lose 5 pounds like I did when I did it years ago. It sets a positive mental state for starting this whole weight loss journey. I've already done my grocery shopping and I am ready for this step. Here's an extra bonus, another tip, number 13. Always go out prepared for any event. Are you running errands? I carry a healthy protein bar with me, so when I'm out running around and I get busy, I'm not tempted to go out and get fast food. Do you have a social outing to go to? I always check the menu ahead of time and I plan things out. If an appetizer is a healthy choice, then I make that my meal, or maybe I'll eat something light ahead of time when I'm at home. Focus on being with your friends and not on the food. Don't be afraid to ask for alterations, like having your salad dressing on the side or skipping the sour cream on a potato. Recently, I discovered a drink called a Shirley Temple, which is just Diet Sprite, a splash of grenadine, and a maraschino cherry on top. I was out with some friends and I wasn't interested in drinking any alcohol, and I didn't want those extra calories. You can still have fun and enjoy social outings without having to drink plain water. I just got a Fitbit so I can track how many calories are burned and how many steps are being taken in the new workouts that I'm making. So I'll be sure to include that information in the future videos. All right, speaking of videos, check back for the next one after I complete my 3-day quick start and see just how it went and how much weight I lost on it this time. Did I make it through the whole day? What did I learn? I am going to try my best.